good people? It's Janaya Leah here, and I am back with another video. If this is your first time watching, sit down, go chill out. You're gonna have a good time here. Don't be scared. Now let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so I had to get up on my tripod for this one because I want to be able to physically walk around and show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. So first thing I have on my list that you need for college, okay, it's gonna be a book bag. And so I have my book bag. It's open, it's whatever, but let me tell you why you need a book bag. You need a book bag because I know in high school, me personally, I carried my stuff around in about one big binder, but for college I don't even have a binder. I literally just use my laptop, my iPad, and then I may have like a textbook or two, but I think I maybe tried to go like one day just carrying stuff, and oh my god, it saves you so much time just being able to carry everything in your book bag, whether you have one class, two class, whatever. Just take the book bag, okay? And then that way you won't have to worry about leaving something on your desk or whatever, because it's just going to be in your bag, okay? Next. All right, y'all, and so the next thing that I have that you're gonna need is a chest, okay? And let me show you what I'm talking about. So my boyfriend gave me this chest. I keep mine under my bed just because it's good for storage purposes. I also have a little Tupperware bin back there that I used when I originally moved in, but I would prefer you to use this because if you have a roommate, I don't know if they're little, I don't know, sticky fingers, you can actually close this. I don't feel like locking it, but then there's a little loop right here, and if you want to, you can put a padlock on it. And I have my little blanket on there because I don't use bubble wrap, bad for the planet. And so that's where I just keep like, just my hair stuff, a lot of my toiletries, just basically stuff I didn't need but I wanted to bring anyways. I put it in there, okay? It's good for storage, okay? So my next thing is gonna be blankets. And so this on top was given to me by a club. Oh my Nintendo Switch, y'all see it? But this on top was given to me, of course. But I would say blankets just because this is also another blanket. But just because, say for example, your roommate prefers to be cold, and if you're like me, you prefer to kind of sleep in more of a warm setting. And so when it comes down to it, you don't want things to get hectic. So it's just always good to have your blanket just in case, guys. Just have some extra blankets, maybe just like some extra bedding in general just in case, okay? All right, so next up on the list, I have comfortable clothing and comfortable shoes. And so let me show y'all my collection of comfortable shoes. Don't judge me. These are the only shoes that I did bring to school, and these are the only shoes I'm gonna wear at school. So let me show y'all. So this is, oh, they got my ring light, guys, but this is my Croc collection, guys. I'm trying to personally complete the rainbow, and so once we go up, I have some Uggs up there. And yeah, majority of the time I'm wearing my Crocs. I love them. Stuff get crazy, put it in sport mode and just run, whatever. So I'm gonna say comfortable shoes just because, like, depending on how big your campus is, my school campus is not that big, so I don't have to do too much walking. But if you do have to do a lot of walking, you want to be in some comfortable shoes. So if Crocs aren't comfortable to you, just put on whatever shoes are comfortable to you because you're gonna be walking, okay? You're gonna be walking. So alright, so next thing on my list, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a room tour, but the next thing on my list is gonna be some late night snacks. And so we getting down here to my snack cabinet. But even if you do have a meal plan, I would still recommend that you bring some late night snacks, just because I know at my school our dining halls close at 8, 9 o'clock sometimes, and 10 o'clock will hit, and all of a sudden I have a craving. I'm hungry. I still want to eat. When I'm at home, I sneak downstairs at 12, 1 a.m. and go to the fridge and grab a little something, and I know you do too. So with that being said, I have the snacks that are good to me. I like cereal. I love oatmeal. Then I have like just some tea and stuff down here, some peanut butter, some Pop-Tarts, and I have some barbecue chips. Nothing too crazy, y'all, because originally when I went shopping, I did buy a little too much. And so when winter break came and I had to clean all the food up out of my room, I was like literally having to feast those last few days because I didn't want to waste my food. But yeah. So next up, what you're gonna need for college is some cleaning supplies. So here are my cleaning supplies. My little bottom cabinet ain't that organized, but so of course you know I got the Lysol. So I got Lysol, then I have Windex for my mirror. I got more Lysol. And then I have my laundry stuff, and then I got some Febreze, and then I got some bleach, all-purpose cleaner black back there. And yeah, oh yeah, and then I also have some Drano for my drain, which you may need to bring that. I originally, like, coming in, didn't know that I would need Drano, but when I got here, my sink drained like very slow, so I ended up needing it. So maybe just bring it just in case. So next up on the list we have a toiletry bag, and so here is my toiletry bag. It has just, you know, shampoos, soaps, body wash. Then I keep my toothpaste in this little compartment in here, and it's nice because you can put your name on it. This says I'm not worth stealing, and she's right, she's not worth stealing. I didn't put my name on it, but this one comes with a hanger inside. So for me, we have community bathrooms, and so I can actually just hang mine right on the little shower rod or whatever, and yeah, it works out perfectly fine. All right guys, so this next one is not only a college hack, but this is a life hack. So even if you decide, okay, I didn't got all this stuff, but I don't even want to go to school, that's good for you, sweetie. You live your life. But let me show you this. Let me show you. So as y'all can see, I am a jacket person. I really like, I just wear jackets. So I have these, I call them the 10 hangers. I think it's actually 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9. It's actually 9. So I'm going to call these the 9 hangers. And so as you can see, I can just hang them up right here, and basically it will kind of, I guess, save space by putting all my jackets, and it's about 6 on here now, all 7, okay, I can't count, but all of them onto one hanger. Instead of just hanging them up one by one by one by one by one, you hang them up like one by one. And so first semester, y'all, I had about 60 jackets in that tiny closet, and when I went home I said, girl, you didn't need that much. Which brings me to my next point. When it comes to bringing clothes, I know you're like, oh my gosh, when I get to college I may wear this, or you know what, like I never know what I'm gonna need. But let me just say this, and y'all, I'm telling y'all, I feel y'all pain. You want to bring everything, you're gonna miss some stuff, but no, seriously, because I have clothes that I bought and have never worn, and probably, I don't know, I'll wear them one day when I learn how to dress. But like, unless you're one of those who sit down and put together outfits and actually, you know, execute, then cool, good for you, girl, you do that. But I'm not one of them. I'm not. And if you're not one of them, then please don't bring your whole wardrobe to college, because to be honest, you're probably gonna be wearing what I'm wearing right now. Y'all look at the fit. Exactly. So you're probably going to dress similar to how I'm dressed right now. Very much comfortable, very much still cute though, okay? So let's get into it. But yes, so very much still cute but comfortable, okay? And so I'm gonna just show y'all how my clothing setup is. And for the ladies, like, these may come in clutch for y'all, where you can store like your bras and underwear. And then I just have a few shirts, okay? It wasn't that many, dang. And so next up, guys, I'm moving around so much, y'all. I'm moving around so much. But next up, I recommend that you guys get these mesh laundry bags. And so I have one for laundry, and then I have one for my towels, because I learned the hard way that you're not supposed to wash towels and laundry together. So I have separate mesh bags. And I also, like, when I go wash my clothes, I don't want anybody touching my clothes in that laundry room. So sometimes I may wash my clothes inside the bag, so that way when I take them out, like, everything's there. But I like to wash my bag as well. So when I wash my clothes, I wash my bag, and then I drag it back on back to the room. Another recommendation for a laundry bag that I could give would be, I saw on Amazon there were like these book bag laundry bags, and you can just, or like I don't know, like a side strap something, and you can do it that way, so that way you won't have a hard time bringing it back to your room. And so next up, I have, you know, cute decor. And so I'm gonna still give y'all a dorm tour for those people who are curious as to what my dorm exactly looks like. But I have like I have a cute little wall. This was my roommate's side, but y'all check out that story time And I have this little thing. It's dead. I got it from Five Below, but this is a little bulletin board. I don't have any dry erase markers. Then I made myself some little plaques, and I put those up against the wall. And I got some LED lights going around the whole room. And that's all I felt like I needed. I did have like a whole star projector type thing, but I felt like my room didn't deserve that, so I took it home and put it in my room there, and so that's where it is now. But yeah, if y'all want to spice out your room, please do that. Like, please. Honestly, I know I can't remember what website it was. Oh, Dormify. Dormify has the hookup for all these cute dorm decorations and bedding. So if you like want to get a headboard, I would definitely recommend getting a headboard for your bed, because mine doesn't have one. They don't come with one. And then also, if you want a higher bed, my bed isn't that high, but it's pretty high for me. But if you want it higher, get bed risers. They sell them at Walmart, maybe the dollar store as well. So alright, so next thing is going to be bath towels. And let me show y'all mine, because I didn't know how much was going to be enough. So I have like a little over 25 towels in here. But usually, like, I don't get to the bottom. I usually just, you know, make it to the laundry at the end of the week and wash what I have and put them right back on top. So I honestly probably have not touched these last few towels in here. And then for my big towel, like the dry off towels, I have like 2 or 3 of those. And yeah, and kind of just rotate those every week. But I love having my supply of towels, especially white towels. So okay, and so for my next one, I'm currently waiting on this myself, but it just occurred to me. So a lot of schools, you may not know this, but a lot of schools give you free cable, but you're gonna have to bring the cable cord yourself. So if you want to watch free cable, like I recently started watching what was that show? I think it was Teen Mom 2. I recently started watching Teen Mom 2, but I can't get MTV on my iPad. And so I ordered a cable cord off Amazon. And if you plug the cable cord up, down there, as you can see, there's a little cable thingy, okay? It's right about there. Hopefully y'all still know what a cable thing looks like. But yeah, there's a cable thing, and so you hook it up to there and your TV, and boom, like you're gonna have cable. You probably would have to check with your school and maybe like your RAs or something to see if y'all have that type of setup. But I know here, hook it up, girl. You better use everything you paid for, guys. Use everything you paid for. Anyways, next up, as y'all can see, this is a COVID edition. So I'm gonna show, I said COVID, not COVID, okay? And so I have a little hanger or whatever on the wall for my mask. So when I'm walking out, I just, and then also let me show y'all, and this came in so clutch. I put a command hook on my door for my keys, because I locked myself out of my room so many times first semester, and that's when I was like, Janaya, you just have to have your keys in plain sight. So literally when I'm walking to my door, I can't miss them. I can't miss them. And so if you want those like me, hook yourself up. But yes, y'all definitely need to bring like a good supply of masks and a good supply of hand sanitizer if y'all are going to school within this COVID era, okay? Get mask, get hand sanitizer, be sanitary. Okay. Anyways, next up on the list, we have a microwave and a fridge, or a fridge. Okay, so y'all know what a microwave and a fridge looks like. This is my fridge. It's completely empty. It's just a little mini fridge. Yeah, no big deal. I would personally probably only recommend the microwave. So maybe if you needed to, you can heat up a snack or something. The fridge is not completely necessary unless you plan on storing food in it. If not, then the fridge would definitely not having a fridge would definitely save you a lot more space in your room. But yeah, so get the microwave, guys. Get the microwave. Alright, y'all, so that's all I got for what you need to bring with you to college. Hopefully my advice helped y'all out a little bit. If y'all have any questions or concerns, please comment down in the comment section below, because I'm gonna answer you. I'm gonna answer, so just let me know. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content, also let me know that down below. And of course, hit that subscribe button to see more of my content, my story times, whatever you want to see. Just let me know, okay? But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video today, and I will see y'all on my next video.